Hi, I'm John from PowerFlow. We have an interesting electrical problem with this Chevy Silverado. Let me show you what that is real quick. So we have one headlight, the right side is blinking. The left side headlight is working fairly normal, no kind of issues here. There was some recent work done on this vehicle, some air conditioning type of work. We're going to try to figure out what's going on with this headlight. I'm going to use our Power Probe tool, and this is our new version of Power Probe that incorporates the PowerFlow, which allows you to load down the circuit and actually test this. And the nice thing about PowerFlow is I have the ability to test the circuit I don't even need to have electricity running through the headlight at the time. So the first thing I'm going to do is from the schematic, I know that the black wire is the ground on here. I'm tapped into the black wire on the headlight assembly. I'm just going to take my Power Probe, use it as an original Power Probe first, and I'm going to test that ground circuit. So when I touch on it here, I see I have no voltage drop whatsoever, so it's telling me that it's got a good ground here. Now what I'm going to do is with PowerFlow, I can either load down the positive circuit or the negative. So in this case, we're going to hit the P with the little minus sign next to it. And we can see we got about a 2.4 volt drop there. So that's obviously a pretty substantial voltage drop. So we're going to figure out where that ground connection is on the vehicle, and we're going to see if we can possibly fix it in that location there. It looks like ground location G104 is right along this inner frame rail here, and it's right behind the battery on this particular vehicle, which kind of makes sense because they probably had to remove the battery and the tray to change out this AC line set, and you can kind of hear it's just loose. They never tighten it back up. So let's tighten it back up here and let's see if that takes care of our problem, which I'm feeling pretty confident that it will, but we never know until we prove it out. So, okay, so that's nice and tight now. I'm gonna give it a good yank on it. Let's go ahead and turn the headlights on and see if we've repaired the problem. Okay, looks like we got success. So just because you have a tool and it tells you it's got a good ground, if you don't load the circuit down, and again, that's on all of our newer Power Probe 3 tools with PowerFlow in it. I could load the positive side or the negative side. It quickly identified that the ground was the problem, and then a little bit of research, we were able to locate the problem.